Here I've got LG G3 and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first let's open Play Store. Now slide right to open More Functions and go to My Apps and Games, so it's the first tab. And here the first option is Update, so let's stay here and you can either, let me stop it for now, you can either update all applications at once by tapping on Update All, or you can update one particular application, and let me for example update Google Chrome. Click on Update. Wait a couple of seconds, it will be downloaded and then installed. It will be all automatically prepared, so you'll just be able to activate your application once it's updated in the latest version. And that's it. As you can see, if you go back, on the bottom of your screen you will see all recently updated applications, so this is the one, and then you can update all the applications at once. Simply tap on Update All and then they will be automatically, let me add permissions for all of the applications, and they will be all installed and updated automatically, so you can use your device meanwhile as usually. So that's basically all. This is how you can update apps in your LG G3. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.